Look, I think this is nice. This is a very nice shot. This is Peter, not your average guy, on the Never Mind Your Own YouTube channel. How can you see a little bit of me like this? I'm in Georgia. I'm following a rally with pre-war cars. I had a lot of issues, you can see in my previous videos. I launched my drone very quickly. It's already up in the air because anytime soon a couple of these cars may come and I want to get a nice shot of them in the morning. The issue is I have to act really quickly because these cars come and go and then they're gone. And then I cannot do anything anymore. So it's a little bit stressful. I don't think there's anything coming yet. But I passed them a while ago, and you can see a little village with these towers that are for defense. As you can see over there, I'm hovering above the grass. It's risky flying in Georgia. GPS sometimes entirely quits. It's pretty stable at the moment. I think there's one coming. Yeah, there's another one. Alright, at least I have a shot. Okay, I'm gonna get back. Wow, you see? What an effort for just one shot with one car. Try if I can catch one over here, because this peak, can you see it? There, very nice. There's a little bend in the road over there, so I want to fly over there and see if I can catch the cars from that position. Yeah, we got visitors. 8 satellites. That's just risky. I can do it, but it's risky.
Take off.
I'm gonna go away from the road.
Addy mode.
Addy mode, that's what I'm saying, you know. It loses satellites and then hoppa, it's in Addy mode. So now I have to position the drone and I want to fly more to that side. It's safe to go over there. You see the road is there. I think a car is coming there. So yeah, that was one. I was not completely ready and positioned yet. I more wanted to do something like this. There's another one coming. I can hear that by the sound of it. All right. You know what? Oh, there's another one. Alright, I think I got it. So I'm coming back. This is Georgia. This is Georgia. I'm at an epic location again. There's some castle and the cars will come from this direction. But I'm having troubles with my compass of the drone. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is see if I can get a decent calibration, because it all the time quits having GPS. So it says ready to go, GPS, everything is normal, right? It doesn't ask for a compass calibration and stuff like that. Gyroscope could do better. Calibrate. So it should be good. Alright, 17 satellites. I got a lot more satellites here.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Then in Mestia. So what we're gonna do? I think I'm gonna fly like this. Position the camera and then have a view at the street. So you can see cars coming. A little bit like this. And then try to follow the car when I see it, or at least make a photo like this. Oh, the exposure is a lot different when having a photo. Look how much it changes. But maybe I should change the automatic. I think that's better. But it's more difficult to see the screen now. Fly along, yeah, like this. I think this is a great shot. Alright, there's another car coming. So I'm just gonna do it like this. No, is that a car too? And maybe, even though you got the yellow stuff in the view, I don't know. I'm just gonna keep like this. Maybe go lower a little bit, so that you hardly notice, but there's still a little bit of movement in the shot. I hope that works out. All right. But listen, I got the shots that I'm looking for. Right? I hope you like this flight. I hope you like this location, the country, the rally. I hope you like my videos. If so, you know what you gotta do. You gotta like, share, comment, and subscribe. I didn't know it was here. It's just we run into it and then we get it. So I don't know what's gonna be next, but you'll find out. If you subscribe, then you will know. Okay, thank you very much. We love you. Oh, I gotta get the drone back.